All this week on Dateline Schools, we're learning about the annual Tech Open House, which is coming up this Thursday. Tell us all about it. My special guest is the Director of Tech, Pat Yanik. And Pat, yesterday you mentioned that this year's open house, because of COVID, is going to be virtual. How do parents and their students get registered to participate in this year's event?
So if they go to our website, which is sctec.org, stclairtech.org, they'll see a link to the open house. They click on that link and scroll down a little bit. They'll see some red text that says that they can register for the open house. That opens up a Google survey. We collect some information. It's really important that we get a valid email address, because we're going to, once we collect that information, we're going to schedule up to 3 different Zoom meetings per family. And the student and their parents will be able to, through the use of Zoom technology, be able to participate in a live event with the program instructor and staff, where they'll describe their programs and play some video footage, and then have the opportunity to ask questions and get their questions answered.
And one nice thing too for us parents, especially, kids know how to Zoom much better than we do, don't they?
Our students have had a lot of experience over the last year learning how to Zoom and Google Classroom and online learning. Yes, absolutely.
I was going to say, do your instructors use Zoom? I know we just had snow days last week. Are they doing Zoom and things like that for that? And you had a lot of remote learning earlier this school year. So that how they deliver their lessons?
Yes, we've had to have students that participate through the use of, we use Google Classroom as our educational platform for online learning, and then they set up Zoom meetings within their Google Classroom. That's the tool they use for the distance learning.
And what is that web address that parents need to go to register?
sctec.org.
We'll be back with more tomorrow from Dateline Schools. I'm Terry Harrington.